I should have done this a long time ago. Yeah, look at that LB7 smoke, baby. Because it's freaking America Day, that's why. What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a hot minute since I posted a video, but today we are going to be doing something to the Jeep that honestly I feel like should have been done a very, very long time ago. You guys obviously are going to see, if you continue to watch through the video, we're going to change something pretty big on the Jeep. And like I said, I apologize for not posting in a while. I've just been super busy with work and all sorts of other crazy crap going on recently that I just haven't really had time to push out content. Currently, we're sitting over 4,700 subscribers. I don't think we're going to meet the goal of 5,000 by the end of the year, but I am not bummed at all in the slightest bit. You know, we're projected, according to Social Blade, to hit it in the second week of January. Starting the year off with 2,000 subscribers and ending the year with just shy of 5,000. Honestly, I cannot thank you guys enough for the continued support throughout the whole entire year, and I'm super stoked as we enter into 2020. So, being completely honest, guys, I'm completely done and over the whole Angry Bird looking thing for right now. We're going to put the factory grill back on, and honestly, we've never had the factory grill on since we did the new fenders, the lift, the bumper, everything like that, even the headlights. We have not had the factory grill on there. I don't know. I think it looks aggressive. I think it looks nice with obviously the black bumper, the black fenders, everything like that. But I don't know. Everybody has it, and it's just... I think it's just time to switch things up a little bit. We're not getting rid of the Angry Grill or anything like that. It's just, I don't know. I kind of want to try something new. So, hang tight. I'm going to quickly change this out. I actually have to fix the headlight again. Those of you guys that own Jeep Wranglers or just cars in general. So, the headlights that are on the Jeep they're knockoffs. I'm not going to lie to you guys. They're like $99 knockoffs. And, we've had nothing but issues with the adapter on the driver's side. And yes, I know, like, should have bought the more expensive headlights, or, oh, you can just go buy another adapter. I get that, but then again, in the same token, it's like $25 for the freaking H adapter to get that headlight working properly again. I'm almost like teetering the idea of just completely changing it up and just going out, spending the money on some legit, really good headlights for the Jeep. And, it's like one of the things that we went like extremely cheap on, and it's not even that it's like really cheap. $100 for those two headlights is, I mean, they're pretty common. They're most commonly used. Those exact ones are most commonly used on motorcycles, just being completely honest. But yeah, let's get this grill changed out, see how it looks. I'm actually super excited to see what this looks like with the factory grill. Oh yeah, that's right. Alright, so obviously, turn signals for the front I took out of this grill initially. So with that being said, we're going to have to take them back out of the Angry Bird grill, reinstall them into this, and yeah, it's pretty simple. Honestly, changing out a Jeep grill is like super easy. Now there is 6 slots for like the little push pins. I only had 3 of them in, just being completely honest with you guys. Mixture of them breaking off and different things, but I do have spare ones on top of the Camaro, actually, which is in the garage. You guys are actually sitting on the air filter of the Camaro right now while I'm recording. So we're gonna get this all changed out, get it all switched over, and then get all 6 pins put back in. But before we reinstall that, we are going to fix this headlight, hopefully. All right, so a couple things that actually suck with these headlights. All right, one, angling them is a pain in the ass because, like, if you look, I don't know, you guys really aren't going to be able to tell. I actually have it pretty loose on the front here. I did like the good old-fashioned garage door test, so you're not necessarily blinding people. So I parked it back like 15 feet, 20 feet back from this garage door right here. And if you're above, like, I want to say like 4 or 5 feet, like, probably blinding the piss out of somebody. Now, yes, it's lifted. It's not lifted dramatically. Is the light's going to piss people off regardless? Yeah, probably. But I kind of don't like the idea of having it so loose. So, like, I've teetered the idea of, like, getting some washers to put inside there to kind of help it out. But it really doesn't help a whole lot if we're not having constant power. So basically what's happening with this light, which I'll actually turn the light switch on now so you guys can see. Let's see if the lights are on. So this one's on, obviously this one is not. So the pain in the ass that I'm dealing with is the connector, which is right inside here. It's really retarded. Like, if you pull it and you're playing with it, you can get lights, but we're not getting like full entire power to this. So I'm actually going to take it out, look at it, assess it, try to figure it out. There is some electrical tape on it now to try to hold the connection, but obviously it's not doing a very good job. So we're going to take this light out, figure out that situation, then put the new grill back on. But as you can see, it's stupid because, like, it'll go to this, but it's really random. Like, I'll hit a bump and then it'll pop up and it'll go through. Cool, you're a dickhead. Anyway, both lights are now working. As you can see, working. This is out of the equation. Time to get this sucker on and see what it looks like with the aftermarket parts that we all put on with the factory grill. All right, so I have my personal opinion. All right, I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna put the hood down. Obviously, you guys have seen it. I'm gonna put the hood down, do like a little bit of a walkthrough. Now, we did take the Jeep emblem off of the grill itself. Now I have like adhesive remover that I'm gonna use to get like some of the adhesive off, and I'll show you guys up close kind of what it looks like. But man, I'm really digging this look better than the Angry Grill. But I do want you guys to comment down below what your personal thoughts are. I'm gonna get backed up, get it looking good, man. I think that looks 20 times better. All right, moment of truth here. No, I don't care what you say, dude. I don't care about what you had to say either, Tex. That looks a lot freaking better in my opinion. Just being honest. Yep, I'm sticking to my guns. I think this looks a lot better. Not as aggressive as the Angry Bird grill, but I'm liking that, man. Just being completely honest. I like the maroon up front. It's actually, like I said, it's very weird seeing it with the aftermarket bumper and the fenders. But personally, I just, like I said, comment down below, guys, but I really, really like this appearance better. Yes, the Angry Bird looks a lot more aggressive, but like when you're thinking about Jeeps, man, you gotta have the 7 slots. And Man, that just looks good. So if this was your first time watching a video on my channel, smash that subscribe button. Give this video a big thumbs up. Join us on our journey to 5,000 subscribers. I hope you guys liked the little bit of a face change for the Jeep. But I will catch you guys in the next one. See ya.